Hello everyone, I'm Damalise and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a deep conditioning mask for your hair made out of avocado, honey, and olive oil. So I chose these three because I saw it, I think, on Pinterest actually, and I've been trying it at home and it works. So there was an avocado that my mom was going to throw away. Didn't happen. I saved it and then I made this little mask. I use avocado because it has these natural fats and oils that are good for your hair, and it helps with brittleness and dryness. It helps repair that. Olive oil is good for hydrating your hair, and the honey is good because it has these strengthening vitamins that helps cover your hair strands and also retain that moisture. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you how to make it and you can try it at home. Okay, so that was very easy. I like to concentrate on the ends because that's where the damage usually is on my hair, and I keep away from the roots because my hair tends to get oily quickly, and since it's a deep conditioning mask, I just want to concentrate on the bottom of my hair. But yes, so I have my hair up right now. You can either keep it in for a few hours while you're walking around the house, cleaning up, and then wash it out. I like to do it at night, so I'm going to take the clip off, put a shower cap on, and go to sleep. And in the morning, I'm going to wash my hair. I wash it, I want to say, like 2 times in a row with your regular shampoo and conditioner. Just get everything out. In the meantime, you smell like a salad, but I promise you, once you dry your hair and style it, it's going to look amazing. This mask is great for leaving your hair feeling smooth and shiny, and we all want that, right? Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy, and let me know how this mask tutorial worked out for you. Bye.